Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to go ahead and host a React app on Heroku. So this app was created with Create React App, and I want to go ahead and host it, and I wanted to show you all. So let's go ahead and get started. Go to GitHub, and I have been pushing all my code to GitHub through this entire process. You can see where I've pushed before to GitHub. So if you have not pushed to GitHub, go ahead and create a project. So the next step is to create an app in Heroku. So we'll go to Heroku, and then it'll bring it up, and then we want to go into new, create new app. Okay, and once you go ahead and find an available name, go ahead and select it, create the app. All right, so now you can see the app is created. So the next step is go ahead and we need to add a build pack to this app. Okay, so just open up a new tab, and what we want to go to is Create React App Build Pack Heroku, and it will be this this link here. So it's Mars / Create React App Build Pack. So just go ahead and click on that. And then we need, since we're in GitHub, we need this link up here. So go ahead, copy this link, and then go back to Heroku and go to Settings, and then we'll add a build pack down here, and then just go ahead and copy paste in the name, and then just save changes, and then you can see it was added down here. Now go back to deploy, and we'll go to GitHub, and then we need to search for our repo name in GitHub. This is why it was important to go ahead and have the project push to GitHub initially. We can go ahead, copy the project name. So this is your project that you've committed to GitHub, and we're going to go ahead and paste that project name here, and then you can see where it has found the name. We want to connect. Heroku does allow an automatic deploy, which is pretty cool. So meaning once you go ahead and get hosted on Heroku, anytime that you want to work on the project in the future, and you go ahead, add, commit, and push the new additions to the project, it will automatically show up on Heroku in the browser, so you can actually see live updates. So I think that feature is cool. Now, if you have a big website with a lot of traffic, you might want to opt out of this, but I will opt in because I think it's a cool feature. All right, and now we can just go ahead and deploy branch, and it will run through. You can see it run through the build here, and we'll come back when it is complete. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going and working our way through the build. As you can see, we've ran into an error here. So basically what it's saying is, and it's really nice, it details this all out. So two different lock files were found, project-lock.json and yarn.lock. So basically it's saying that both yarn and npm have lock files, and I want to use npm, so I will choose this version. Yeah, to use npm to install your application's dependencies, please delete the yarn.lock file. It actually gives you a command here to run. So we'll copy this, go in to the project, and paste the command. And it did remove it. It was at the very bottom. I don't know if you saw that or not. So what we can do is, just for kicks and giggles, I will go ahead and commit this back to GitHub. Git push. All right, so we push that off, and now we can go ahead and try to deploy again. So deploy branch. It's running here. And depending on how big the project is, depending on your internet speed, it might take longer, it might be shorter. This isn't a very big project, but it is taking a little bit. So we'll come back when it's done here. Okay, so we are back here, and we actually went ahead and got this deployed successfully. And this is the first time that I'll open it. I just wanted to show you all the process. So it didn't really take too long and to go ahead and get loaded and so forth. And you can see all the links work and so forth. So that is how to successfully deploy your Create React app on Heroku. All right, thanks guys.